बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। टाटो बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज तुहंदे पांचमे जमात हमद अंग्रेजी मंज टॉपिक चुनमुत युस अम ब्रोठे सैटरडे पराव बीरबल द वाइज तो सो थोड़ा ऐड लुक तो बाकी हना करो कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश बस तुम करो तुम थो पूरी जहनस मज बह कत वन The next day, Birbal called Surya Singh and the traveler and took them to the stable. Big Dog knew Birbal and Surya Singh used Prince of Maniporuk and the traveler they used White Pakanvolos and took them to the stable in Atabelas, nicht stables, Atabelas. There were about a dozen horses of the same size and color. That is Darjanwadu Kuri, humans, Utui Saizus. Utui size ost, utui rangos. Your horses here said people to the two men. Emun dushwain traveler aste, in Surya Singh's badshas, the Dunas Ton ha Gurchu Yatat, the said people to the two men. Dushwain Natanun. The traveler could not recognize the horse, but just your सफर करन वोल ओस एम हुकुन पर्सन यु गुर के रिकॉग्नाइज को पहचानना या तो लुक में बोर्ड्स पर रिकॉग्नाइज जो मतलब को पर्सनाउन एम हुकुन यु गुड पर्सन ये कहते एम सफर करन वोल बट सूर्य सिंह फाउंड हिम एट वंस सूर्य सिंहन पर्सन ये एक्समेंडस मस द हॉर्स न्यू इट्स मास्टर टू हा एम गुर पर्सन पनन मालिक ते मास्टर को मालिक एम पर्सन पनन मालिक This kind man said Birbal to the traveler, you what was Birbal, the most Raham Dil Nafar said Birbal to the traveler, what Birbal in a Safakarn will afford you a ride on his horse. Im Kornice Peshkash, Zakas Yad Gurispat, and you try to rob him. Chekar Koshish Bulutan, you shall get 50 strokes of the whip. Jasi Paznai Panzak Kordatin. Then he turned to the prince, but so. Manipur Kismis Badshahs Kun Surya Singh's Kun. I had already know your name and address. What was Birbal to us already pata brunte pata chun now chun address kachugurozan. You knew me then. I thought it. Agatsana Zana Osuk, what was Wapas your Badshah. Note of interrogation means Savalia Jumla question will arise. I thought it was a secret. Was Misujasu secret. I had heard you were a wise judge. Birbal, you was Wapas Manipur Badshah. You both Mutsuchuk Akdana judge, and I wanted to see you both in Sansa. I know you were the prince of Manipur. Birbal was Wapas said Birbal. Birbal was Wapas, Meshpata Suchuk Manipur Badshah. We have a large country to rule, and it is our business to know who is coming. Bishish Bedis Mulkas Pat Hukumat Karan, Ish Sun Kum, Us or E, Temsun Indizam Kon, the government has or arranged it for you stay here. Government knows Indizam Kormut Janik Behnuke, Surya Singh thanked him. Surya Singh ko Shukriya and Sunada. There is one more thing he said that was Beak cheese. Yustem Adkur, I should like to know how you decided my case. You want to swap us your Badshah Manipur. Dunas Bushus Yasan Zanun, Chicken Korot no case hal willingly. Kushi was willingly. Kushi Korme replied, Birbal, Raji San Korme. I knew you were and realized that you would not tell a lie. Maspata Be Kormi Andaz get someone at Apus King, but I needed proof. Mother Sobodu, my servant followed you both with the horse. Me no can Kornotai Picha. You could have Dushwain and set it free patron, you could yell, it went after you. You could go pat on the traveler in Safakaran was Papa going to then again the traveler could not identify the horse. Do you opportunity the same name as travelers in Hukun on you good person is in Hukun you good papa sorry in Hukun you good person is king in the stable at Tabelasmus, but you had no difficulty to bring a calm muskila on good personams. The prince was greatly impressed by people's wisdom. Him says ugly Padago you warrior Mutosir him says Dana say. And he knew he had found the right man to solve this problem. So Zana Kitemasiko Asal Nafar Chuntim Yim such a problem solve. Good. Glossary as most thoda difficult word at lessons must did. The Baka thoda to concept clear yet chum difficult word to Baka try yet words but lessons to understand because mission, a specific task or duty assigned to that person. Mission. वनान अकिस मिशनस तहत मिशन हसा कंस नफरस वनान मे हसा मिशन दैट मीन्स अ स्पेसिफिक टास्क अंग्रेजी मज मीनिंग अ स्पेसिफिक टास्क or duty assigned to a person. Ak maksus küm yus ekis nafas evan deni çı. İç emis asan anjam din suç asan khususi emis khatar ye küm emis asan ye anjam din atman mission. Nightfall, the approach of darkness. Ayin god gasun night, go nightfall, doubt, uncertainty about the truth. Kashir poet dilas maz tadad ak illusion asun. Wrong interpretation of any object मतलब doubt ही आसन fact etc. doubt शक advantage better or move favorable position advantage better or move favorable person advantage को फायदे advantage लिखा advantage लिख ये तो बोर्ड पर बैठाना चाहिए लिखूं बाकी यस बो कोशिश करो ये लिखनस advantage better or more favorable position better asal or more favorable position asal position achwana advantage go for it favorable position shabash rein a leather strap used to control the horse rein rein rein kashir padi has ये वनन अथ वन लाकम रेन गई लाकम a leather strap यह लेदरुक यूज टू कंट्रोल अथ मन शीत थ्रू सो लगे तम सत गुर चारन कंट्रोल कर तथ वन रेन कशर पे लाकम वन अंग्रेजीस मज वनोस a leather strap used to control horse a leather strap used to control horse. Horse. Stable, a place where horses are kept. Me won you, I dialect one me stable. Achmana kashir put tabel. Stable go tabel. Yat nos guri imash than. A place where horses are kept. A place where horses are kept. Horses are kept. A place where horses are kept. After to guri imash than. Stable tabel. Recognize, to accept or be aware of. Recognize, to accept or be aware of. Recognize means pehchana. Recognize go pehchan. Recognize go parzonoun. Recognize go parzonoun. To accept or be aware of. To accept or be aware of. Or be aware of. Recognize as a noun. Pehchana. Recognize English word. The Urdu word to pehchana. The kashir put manos as a noun. Angrezi manos to accept or be aware of. Offer. To present. Offer get peshkash. Offer get peshkash. Offer get peshkash. Kush one. Offer. To present. To present. To present. थोड़ा शिके तुम कर भी ये पेट में रब थोड़ा इमले में तो ही याद दाश्त मौजूद ये अच्छे वर्ड ज़्यादा यूं सुनो इस क्लियर करिए क्या बोर्ड्स पे rob go लूटना as by force or threat of violence to take something from someone illegally rob लूटना rob go लूटना